A dramatic day in court as testimony gets underway in the murder trial of Chicago police officer Ella French.
French's family and former colleagues watched as the young officer's final moments played out in video from body cameras. CBS 2's Sabrina Franza was in the courtroom today during the emotional testimony. Sabrina?
The jury and Ella French's family listened to her final scream. That body-worn camera video ended and the entire courtroom fell silent, save for a few people crying, holding on to one another and making sure their family was okay. Ella's mother and her former partner, Carlos Yanez Jr., walked hand in hand back into court after watching that video from multiple angles. The state played body-worn camera video showing her final moments from her own perspective, but also from the perspective of Yanez Jr. and from the third officer who was with them that day, Officer Joshua Blas. Blas testified that he was driving with French and Yanez Jr. when they came across brothers Amante and Eric Morgan driving a car with an expired plate and pulled them over. He was questioned on that testimony, claiming Amante Morgan, who's facing an 85-count indictment for that shooting, including multiple counts for murder, shot and killed Officer French, shot and wounded Yanez Jr., and tried to shoot Blas as well. All of this during the traffic stop for what they say was for an expired plate. Earlier, emotional testimony from Ella's mother, who talked about her last conversation with her daughter, saying they always talked on the way to work. She said she told her daughter to be safe that day, not knowing she would die shortly after. Police Superintendent Larry Snelling made comments about today's proceedings.
We will always carry Ella's legacy with us and her legacy of service. She was exactly what we expected a Chicago police officer to be. It was a tragedy, but we're looking for justice now.
Now, the defense promised to argue that the reason why they pulled over those brothers was for incorrect information on that alleged expired license plate. They also promised to try to prove that this was not a case of murder. Now, we spoke with Morgan's mother, who told us she's asking her son to testify, and we'll, of course, learn more about that in the next coming days. For now, we're inside the Cook County Criminal Courthouse. Sabrina Franza, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Sabrina.